Hi, my name is Matias Pedemonte, a computer science engineering student at Universidad de los Andes. In this video, I will walk you through my professional internship at Book, where I work as a software developer on the SST y Cumplimiento Engineering Squad. Book is a Chilean HR technology company founded in 2017. Its core product is cloud-based platform that consolidates all human resource process in a single place. Payroll, performance reviews, attendance trackings, hiring workflows, and more. By early 2025, the company had around over 7,000 clients across Chile, Peru, Colombia, Mexico, and Brazil, with more than 130 employees and a reported valuation around $850 million, backed by investors like SoftBank and Winnox. I was embedded in the SST Cumplimiento Squad, the team responsible for occupational health, safety, and compliance modules. The team includes 7 software engineers at different seniority levels, 3 interns, including myself, and an engineering manager. I contribute to 3 modules: partner complaint, asset management, and evidence record. Over the course of the internship, I complete 8 development tasks, merge 11 pull requests, and participate in 2 code reviews of my teammates. My day-to-day work covered the full development cycle, building new features, fixing bugs, improving existing functionalities, and writing automated tests. Uh, because the platform runs on real Rails monolith, a single task could take me from service to object to controller to view to test file. So the integration forces me to think holistically about every change I made. The most technically challenging activity of the internship was a large-scale refactor inside the evidence record model. The big problem here is that all the service, routes, controllers, views uh, are, are hard-coded to employee. I need to abstract all to work to subject, to take employee and companies possibility subject. So this made me change all these things: views, routes, controller, service, uh, local files, sorbet type signature. So it's very complete refactor of different factors. From an analytical perspective, what struck me most about book engineering organization is that quality is a byproduct of its process, not something bolted on the end. They have a sale on every push, mandatory code review, engineering health metrics, and predictable releases. This makes a very complete engineering company, making work through every steps and very complete and engage in every step. I learned a lot of my work analysis in this practice. First, I learned how is a professional Git workflow, working not in a personal repository, but with a lot of other depths. So it was pretty neat to use a very strong Git workflow. And I learned to refine before coding is a very important part of the process, not just go to code. It's important to understand what you are going to do, because without that you commit too much extra errors. And the tests are some very important part of the coding, because without that you take a lot of time to see if everything works. If you have a, a big net of tests, you can easily add some new feature without broke the features before that. And I, in the practice, do 11 pull requests, 8 tasks complete, and 2 code reviewed. My personal reflection was, first of all, that professional programming is not only write code. It's about making to understandable for a lot of other person and make a process that follow a workflow that everyone can code without broke each other integrations. Code review is some important part. First of all, I was scared. I think the when I make a mistake, I feel less than other devs that work in the team. But I learned that that's not the point. The point is you to grow up and learn more about the progress. The evidence record refactor was a very challenging uh, activity because it's not only create new things, it's edit previously created works. So it's very difficult to manage all that previous repository because have a lot of things that is need to be changed without breaking. So you're not only into code, you need to understand what was before you editing that. And this is very meaningful to my professional growth. It's very important, and I think this internship made me very good for my professional growth. In summary, this internship compressed into a few months what might have taken years to learn. The rhythm of a real team, weight of collaboration, and the satisfaction of seeing your own code running in production. So that's all. Thank you for seeing.